Are you looking to grow your money in 2026 without taking unnecessary risks? The good news is you don't have to make risky bets to build wealth. In fact, with the right strategies, you can grow your money safely while still maintaining your lifestyle. In this video, we shall explore 8 safe ways that beginners can grow their money in 2026. These methods focus on stability, smart planning, and making your money work for you without the stress of high-stakes investments. Whether you're just starting to build your savings or looking for safer investment options, we've got you covered. So let's dive in to find out how you can start building your financial future without taking on unnecessary risks. 1. High-yield savings accounts, HYSAs. If you're just starting out on your investment journey, the safest place to grow your money is by opening a high-yield savings account, HYSA. This might sound basic, but it's one of the smartest moves for a beginner. High-yield savings accounts offer a much higher interest rate compared to regular savings accounts, currently ranging between 3.5% to 5% APY in 2026. Unlike other investments that can lose value, HYSAs are FDIC insured, meaning your money is safe even if the bank faces financial trouble. What's more, HYSAs are liquid, so you can access your money whenever you need it without penalty. This makes them an ideal choice if you're looking to grow your savings without locking it away. Imagine earning a solid return without worrying about market volatility, just by keeping your funds in an account that works for you. For 2026, top banks and credit unions offer these accounts with competitive rates that can easily outpace inflation, allowing you to keep your money growing passively. It's a fantastic first step to building financial security without stress. 2. Certificates of Deposit CDs. Next up, let's talk about certificates of deposit CDs, another great low-risk option for beginners. If you're confident that you won't need your money for a while, let's say 6 months to 5 years, a CD can offer guaranteed, fixed interest rates. And here's the best part. Unlike the stock market, where prices can fluctuate, a CD guarantees you'll get a fixed return, regardless of market conditions. One strategy to maximize your CD investments is using a CD ladder. This simply means spreading your money across multiple CDs with different maturity dates. By doing this, you can ensure that part of your investment is accessible while still benefiting from higher interest rates on longer-term CDs. This method combines both liquidity and higher returns, giving you the best of both worlds. As we move into 2026, CD rates have been stabilizing at competitive levels, making them a smart choice for those who want to grow their wealth without exposing themselves to risk. So, even with a small investment, CDs can help you build long-term wealth. 3. S&P 500 Index Funds/ETFs. For those willing to take on a little more risk, but still looking for safety, S&P 500 Index Funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are a fantastic option. These funds pool money from multiple investors to buy shares of the 500 largest U.S. companies. By doing so, they provide instant diversification, which can help cushion against market volatility. The beauty of S&P 500 index funds is that they track the overall market, so even if some companies go through a rough patch, the overall fund can still perform well. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered average annual returns of about 7 to 10%, significantly outpacing inflation. In 2026, these funds are as solid as ever, and they're an easy way for beginners to invest in the market. Simply pick an index fund or ETF, set it up, and let your money grow steadily. This method allows you to avoid the hassle of picking individual stocks while still benefiting from the stock market's long-term growth. 4. Treasury bills and bonds. If you're seeking a more conservative way to save, Treasury bills, T-bills, and bonds are excellent choices. These government-backed securities are considered some of the safest investments available. T-bills are short-term, maturing in less than a year, and provide a low-risk, predictable return, making them ideal for very short-term needs. On the other hand, Treasury bonds provide a stable long-term income stream and can be a fantastic addition to your investment strategy. Bonds typically pay regular interest, which can add up over time. And because they are backed by the U.S. government, they carry very little risk. With global financial uncertainty continuing, T-bills and bonds are a safe bet for anyone looking to preserve their wealth in a reliable way. In 2026, government bond rates remain attractive, offering a solid foundation for building a low-risk investment portfolio. These options are perfect for beginners who want steady, reliable returns without worrying about market crashes. 5. Roth IRA Individual Retirement Account. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA, a game-changing tool for anyone looking to build wealth over time. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows your investments to grow tax-free. That means you pay no taxes when you withdraw money in retirement. Here's the catch: you contribute after-tax money, but the growth and the withdrawals during retirement are completely tax-free. In 2026, this remains one of the best vehicles for retirement planning, especially for beginners who want to start saving for the future without the fear of tax liabilities down the road. You can hold a variety of investments inside a Roth IRA, like index funds, ETFs, and bonds. If you're just starting out, opening a Roth IRA gives you the perfect opportunity to build your retirement nest egg with tax-free growth. Plus, it's a low-maintenance way to save for the long term. 6. Money market funds. Money market funds are often overlooked by beginners, but they're a great option for parking your savings while earning a bit more than you would with a regular savings account. These funds invest in high-quality, short-term debt and are designed to maintain a stable value. They offer low risk and high liquidity, making them a perfect place to keep cash that you might need access to quickly. Money market funds typically offer a higher return than traditional savings accounts while still maintaining safety, making them a reliable choice for anyone who wants to earn interest on their savings without locking up their money. Many people use them as an alternative to cash savings, and they can be an excellent way to save for short-term goals, like building an emergency fund. 7. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. For those interested in real estate but not looking to manage property, real estate investment trusts, REITs, can be an ideal solution. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing properties, such as apartment buildings, office spaces, and shopping centers. By investing in REITs, you can buy shares of these properties without having to deal with the maintenance or management. REITs offer great diversification outside of traditional stocks and bonds, and they're especially attractive for beginners looking to get into the real estate market without a massive upfront investment. These funds often pay high dividends, making them a steady source of income. With real estate performing relatively well in 2026, REITs remain a low-risk and accessible way to invest in the sector. 8. Target date funds. For those looking for a set-it-and-forget-it strategy, target date funds are the way to go. These funds are designed to be automated retirement solutions. You select a fund with a target date close to your retirement age, and the fund automatically adjusts its investments over time, gradually shifting from more aggressive growth to conservative investments as the date nears. Target date funds take the guesswork out of retirement planning, making them perfect for beginners who don't have the time or expertise to manage their investments actively. They are great for those who want to focus on building wealth without worrying about constantly rebalancing their portfolio. There you have it, 8 safe ways for beginners to grow your money in 2026. These strategies are designed to help you build a solid financial foundation without taking on unnecessary risks. From high-yield savings accounts to real estate investment trusts, each of these methods provides a reliable way to grow your wealth over time. Whether you're just starting out or looking for safer options in your investment journey, these choices will allow you to safeguard your money and watch it grow steadily. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and are ready to start growing your money safely in 2026, hit that like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try first. Stay focused on your financial goals, and we'll see you in the next video.